They're so smaller.
Do you want to put your head down there, Luke?
No.
No?
Why she pinched herself?
What?
Why she pinched herself?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe she's got a scratch? Got an itch?
You're so cute. Well, why do you got a big blankie too?
To keep them warm.
Oh. The big blanket all around them. I will sit.
Can you put your head down there? No?
Don't worry. You're so cute like me, my baby brother. Did you know that?
Oh, no.